Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are fine and safe. Welcome back to Computer Online Class. Today we are going to discuss about keyboard and mouse. Now open your computer textbook. We already started in the previous class Introduction to a Computer lesson. What is mean by a computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. Okay, children? Okay, I will ask one question, Nana. What are the main parts of your computer? What are the main parts? How many parts are there? Yes, four main parts are there. What are there? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. It has mainly four parts. What are the main parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. The first main point is monitor. How it look like? It looks like TV screen. It's look like TV screen. Monitors are mainly two types. How many type of monitors are there, Nana? Yes, mainly it has two types. What are that? CRT monitor, LCD monitor. CRT monitor and the second one is the LCD monitor. Central processing unit. CPU means what, Nana? Central processing unit. CPU is placed inside the CPU box. Where it was? It was in CPU box. CPU stands for what? Central processing unit. It is the brain of your computer. What is the brain of your computer, children? Very good. CPU is the brain of the computer. Already we learned this topic also. Okay, na? Now turn the page, Nana. Today's topic is keyboard. Today's topic is keyboard. Now see here, what is this picture? Yes, this is a keyboard. Total, this is a keyboard. The keyboard is used for typing. The keyboard is used for typing. Keyboard ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం నాన్న మనం? టైప్ చేయడానికి కీబోర్డ్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. It has a number of keys. It has number of keys. All this is the keyboard. It has a number of keys. Whatever you type on the keyboard appears on the screen of the monitor. స్టూడెంట్ ఇక్కడ మనం కీబోర్డ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ కీబోర్డ్లో కనుక మనం ఏ కీ అయినా ఇలా ప్రెస్ చేసామంటే అది మనకి ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న? మానిటర్లో కనిపిస్తుంది. మానిటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ మనకు ఉంది కదా టీవీ స్క్రీన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది చూడండి ముందు, అందులో కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కీబోర్డ్ పెడతాము. ఇక్కడ ఈ కీబోర్డ్లో మనం ఏదైతే టైప్ చేస్తున్నామో ఈ కీబోర్డ్లో అది మనకి ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది? అపియర్స్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఆఫ్ the monitor. Once see here practical learning nana. Raju pressing a key on the keyboard. Here Raju pressing a key on the keyboard. Raju ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? కీబోర్డ్ లో కీని ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. The monitor displays the letter on the screen. Here see what is the letter, this one. Which letter this is? H. ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? రాజు ఇక్కడ హెచ్ కీని ప్రెస్ చేస్తే అది మనకి స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తుంది. రైట్ ద లెటర్ దట్ ద మానిటర్ డిస్ప్లేస్. విచ్ లెటర్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? విచ్ లెటర్ నాన్న దిస్ ఈస్? ఎస్, హెచ్. రైట్ ఇన్ దిస్ బ్లాంక్ హెచ్. రైట్ ద లెటర్ దట్ ద మానిటర్ డిస్ప్లేస్. ఏ లెటర్ అయితే ఉందో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆ లెటర్ ఏమన్నారు? సో వాట్ విచ్ లెటర్ దట్ వన్? హెచ్. ఓకే, నౌ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్, 7th page. A keyboard has alphabet keys to type the letters. A keyboard has alphabet keys to type letters. Letters ni type cheyadaniki which keys are using here? Alphabet keys. Total how many alphabets are there? 26 are there, no nana? See, here is the 26 alphabets. మనకి కీబోర్డ్ లో లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ అవి ఏమున్నాయి? ఆల్ఫాబెట్ లెటర్స్ కీస్ ఏమున్నాయి? A to Z వరకు ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? Next, a keyboard has number keys to type numbers. Again, a keyboard has a number keys also there. Number keys to type numbers. Numbers ni type చేయడం కోసం మనకి number keys ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? A keyboard has number keys to type numbers. Here alphabets to type letters and here number keys to type numbers. Next, coming to the second one. There are many symbols keys and the other keys like enter key, space bar key, arrow keys, function keys. See nana, see in the కీబోర్డ్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కీబోర్డ్ లో చూడండి మనకి ఏముంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద 3 lines are there. No, these 3 lines are alphabet keys, and here number keys are there at up. Okay, here are the number keys. Again, some special keys also there. Some special keys also there. Special keys here, enter key. See children, here enter key, and next one is the space bar key is there. No, here స్పేస్ బార్ కీ. అంటే మొత్తం కీబోర్డ్లో మనకి అదే కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది ఇది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యారో కీస్. హియర్ యారో కీస్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? ఫంక్షన్ కీస్. ఫంక్షన్ కీస్ ఎట్ అప్. సి F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These are the function keys. Each key is used for a specific function. Each key is used for a specific function. How many type of keys are there? See here. Alphabet keys. The first one is alphabet keys. Next number keys. Next symbol keys. What are the symbol keys? Enter key, space bar key, arrow keys, function keys. Okay, Nana? Now see here. You must have seen keys on a mobile phone. Okay, Nana? See here. Mobile phone lo kuda manaki keys ikkada unnayi chudandi. Ivanni kuda keys anamata. Two objects that have keys. Name two objects. Here you have to write, children. Write here two object names. Okay, that have keys. Keys unna two object names మీరు ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా. I am repeating. See children, this is the keyboard. Keyboard has so many keys. Different type of keys are there. What are that? Alphabet keys, number keys, and some special keys. Okay, children. Next, coming to the fourth main part. What is that main part? Mouse. See in this picture. What is this picture, Nana? This is a mouse. This is a mouse. Mouse has two buttons. Mouse has two buttons. What are that? Left button and right button. One is the left button and the another one is the right button. Scroll wheel. Okay, children, and here in the middle of the buttons, scroll wheel is there. See in the picture. Okay, now coming to the points. A mouse usually has two buttons, the left and the right button. How many buttons are there here? Yes, very good. Two type of buttons are there. What are that? Left button and right button, and the scroll wheel which can act as a third button. And here is a scroll wheel is there, no? That one which can act as third button. We can call it as a third button also. First button enti left di, and second one is right, and the third one is scroll wheel. It helps you to tell the computer what to do. It helps you to tell the computer what to do. అంటే మనకి అది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట, మన కంప్యూటర్లో ఎక్కడైనా కానీ మూవ్ చేయడానికి. యూ కెన్ డ్రా అండ్ కలర్ పిక్చర్స్ విత్ ఎ మౌస్. మనం మౌస్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఏం చేయొచ్చు? డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం కలర్ ద పిక్చర్. ఉన్న పిక్చర్కి మనం కలర్ని కూడా వేయచ్చు. యూ కెన్ డ్రా అండ్ కలర్ పిక్చర్స్ విత్ ఏ మౌస్. You also use it to point things on the monitor screen. మనం ఏదైనా కూడా ఒక పాయింట్ని ఇండికేట్ చేయడం కోసం మనం మానిటర్ మీద మనం ఏదైనా పాయింట్ని ఇండికేట్ చేయడం కోసం మౌస్ని యూస్ చేస్తాము. యూ ఆల్సో యూస్ ఇట్ టు పాయింట్ థింగ్స్ ఆన్ ద మానిటర్ స్క్రీన్. ఏ మౌస్ ఈజ్ యూజువల్లీ ప్లేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఏ మౌస్ ప్యాడ్. ఎక్కడ మనం మౌస్ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తాము? మౌస్ ప్యాడ్ అనే దాని మీద మనం మౌస్ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తామన్నమాట. ఓకేనా. హౌ మెనీ కీస్ ఆర్ దేర్? సారీ, హౌ మెనీ బటన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్? ఎస్, టూ బటన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. వాట్ ఆర్ దేర్? లెఫ్ట్ బటన్ and the next second one is a right button, and the scroll wheel which can act as a third button, and the scroll wheel is which can act as a third button. And also a mouse is usually placed on where? Yes, very good, mouse pad. See here, practical learning. As you move the mouse, a mouse pointer moves on the monitor screen. ఇక్కడ మనం మౌస్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? మౌస్ని ఇలా మూవ్ చేస్తున్నారు. మూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి mouse pointer is there no in the screen. Mouse pointer is there. మౌస్ పాయింటర్ మనం ఇక్కడైతే జరుపుతున్నాం కదా, అది మనకి ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, మానిటర్ మీద మనకి మౌస్ పాయింట్ని చూపెడుతుంది. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ am repeating. See Nana, monitor is, see Nana here, a computer is a machine. A computer is a, first of all it is a machine. It has mainly 4 parts. What are the 4 parts here? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. These are the 4 main parts. Now we are going to once again recall all the 4 things. Monitor, first of all, monitor. See here, a monitor look like a TV screen. How it look like? It look like a TV screen. It shows number, letters and words. It shows numbers, letters and words. Monitor are mainly 2 types. Monitors are 2 type monitors are there. What are the 2 type of monitors? CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT monitor and the next one is the LCD monitor. And again CPU. CPU means what? What is this? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. See Nana here. This is the total. This is a CPU box. In the CPU box, CPU is there. Okay, CPU is placed inside the CPU box. Inside the CPU box, CPU is there. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for which one? Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. It can remember many things. CPU can remember many things. CPU can remember many things. And now coming to the keyboard. Keyboard is used for which one? Yes, typing. Keyboard is used for typing. Here keyboard has many special keys also there. Keyboard has alphabet keys to type the letters. First of all, keyboard has alphabet keys to type letters. Keyboard has number keys to type numbers. To type numbers, it has a number keys. To type letters, it has a alphabet keys. There are some special keys are there. What are there? Enter key, space bar key, arrow keys, function keys. This is the some special keys. Symbol keys also. This one. Okay, Nana. Next coming to the mouse. Mouse has 2 buttons. First one is the left button and the second one is the right button. Left button and the right button. And the scroll wheel which can act as the 3rd button. Here is the scroll wheel which can act as a 3rd button. Mouse is placed where it was placed on a mouse pad. Where it was placed on a mouse pad. See in your textbooks page number 9. Test yourself. Page number 9. Test yourself. First a bit. Fill in the blanks to the name the part of a computer. Here we have to write the parts of a computer names. What is this one? First one. Yes. What is this one, Nana? Monitor. Here write. M already is there now. Write here. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Here children. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. And what is the second one? CPU B dash dash. What is this one, Nana? CPU box. B-O-X. CPU box. Next, what is this? Very good. CPU. Already C is there, no? Right here. P-U. Total this one is CPU. And what is this one, children? Very good. Keyboard. K-E-Y. Key. B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K-E-Y. Key. B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Next one. What is this one? Mouse. Right here the spelling mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Okay children. First one is the monitor. CPU box, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Okay children, write with pencil, Nana. Next B bit. Tick the right sentences. Tick the right sentences. We have to tick mark. We have to keep the right sentences. A mouse, first one. A mouse is used for typing. A mouse is used for typing. Is it the statement is right or wrong? Yes, very good. The statement is wrong. So write here into mark. Why? Because if the statement is right, means we have to keep the tick mark, no? But here the statement is wrong. So we have to keep here into. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor looks like how, Lana? Yes, very good. It looks like a TV screen. So write here tick. Keep the tick mark. The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Is it correct or wrong? Is right. Why? Because the CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Next one, fourth one. The keyboard has only number keys. Is it right, Nana? No. Why? Because it has so many keys. Number keys, alphabet keys, and also it has symbol keys also there. Yes, so the statement is wrong. Once again I am repeating, see here. The mouse is used for typing. Wrong. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Right. The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Right. The keyboard has only number keys. Wrong. Choose the correct words and fill in the blanks. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆల్రెడీ కీ లాగా కొన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చేసారు. అందులో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ని చూసి మనం ఇక్కడ fill in the blanks లో రాయాలి. Got it, children? Now see here. A computer is a dash. First one, what is that? A computer is a, what is a computer? Computer is a machine. Here machine is there, now write the spelling here. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. A computer is a machine. Next one, second one. Dash is also known as the face of a computer. What is that, Nana? Dash is also known as the face of a computer. See here and tell which one is the correct one. Very good. Monitor. Write here the spelling monitor. M-O-N-I-T-E-R. Monitor. Monitor is also known as the face of a computer. Next, third one. A dash is used for typing. A dash is used for typing. Type చేయడానికి మనం ఏం యూస్ చేస్తాము? Very good. Keyboard. Write here the spelling keyboard. K-E-Y. Key. B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth one. You can draw pictures using a dash. మనం ఏం యూస్ చేసి పిక్చర్స్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు, కలర్స్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పాను? Mouse. Very good. You can draw pictures using a mouse. Write here the spelling mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Next one, fifth one. Dash is called the brain of a computer. Dash is called the brain of a computer. Which one is the brain of a computer? See here and tell. Very good. The last one is CPU. C-P-U. Okay, once again I am repeating. See here, children. A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. Next one. Dash is also known as the face of a computer. Which one is the face of a computer? Very good. Monitor is also known as the face of a computer. Next one. Third one. A dash is used for typing. A dash is used for typing. Which one is used for typing? Very good. Keyboard is used for typing. You can draw pictures using a mouse. You can draw pictures using a mouse. Dash is called the brain of a computer. Which is the brain of a computer? Yes, CPU is the brain of a computer. Got it, children? Children, write with pencil only. Okay, children, must and should complete your work and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.